Hello friends and welcome to my channel, and in this video I will unbox my new Ts-931 Y1s model new smartwatch. I bought this smartwatch for ₹900 and let's see what's inside. First let's see the box. It has micro SIM card, alarm, music, reminder, vibration, pedometer, anti-lost, camera, Bluetooth gallery, calls record, file manager and many things. So let's see the smartwatch. And here is the smartwatch. As I see, there is no battery inside the smartwatch, so we have to put the battery first in the smartwatch. So let's put the battery first. It has micro SIM card slot and a memory card slot. So first put the battery. So let's on the smartwatch. And it sounds very well. And here it is a camera, a charging slot, mic, and this is power button. And when we press it on, the 3-watch display. And then see what's inside. This is image viewer. Image viewer, call logs, phone book, Bluetooth dialer. It will work when SIM card is inserted in it. And pedometer, and this is audio player, and here is the camera, and you can see the picture quality is okay, not so good, but it is a 0.3 megapixel camera, so it's nice to watch. Facebook, WhatsApp. So let's see. Let's insert the SIM card in this smartwatch. I have this SIM card and this memory card. So let's insert these both. And you can see here it is a micro SIM card slot. And we have inserted this. And then insert battery. So let's on this with the SIM and memory card. You can see it's written over Vodafone India. So let's make a call. And then you can see this. I will add some music in it. As you can hear, the sound is amazing and very loud. We can fast forward the music by pressing this button. And here it is the speaker. And when we turn off the smartwatch, the audio doesn't stop. because I have already on the background play. So from my side, it is a nice smartwatch in rupees 900. And if you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more unboxings like this.